Okay, students, please remember the rules. Again, you have to use shall with I and we to ask for and make suggestions, para preguntar y para hacer sugerencias. And also we use let's to make suggestions for everyone. Okay, please don't forget. Now, students, we have conversation 1 and conversation 2. We have to check the conversation 2, right? What an awful day. It's raining again. I know. It's so cold and wet. What shall we do? Let's stay in and watch a DVD, right? Okay, what's the next lines here? The next is?
Oh no, that's boring. We did that last night.
Very good. Oh no, that's boring. We did that last night. The next line?
Okay, Tim, shall we go out for a coffee?
Very good. And finally, the next line?
Great, I'll get my coat and an umbrella.
Very good. That's it, students, ¿ok? Entonces ya saben qué van a usar cuando quieran hacer sugerencias, de repente quieren preguntar algo que pueden hacer entre amigos. Es bien común, ¿cierto? Oh, vamos a tal lugar, ¿cierto? Y listo, shall. Vamos todos, let's go, let's do that, ¿ok? Don't forget. Y, por ejemplo, en el let, igual, let's do that, let's go, let's continue. Tiene que sonar. Cuidado, solo sea let. Porque solo es let es ya otro significado. ¿Sí? Let's es otro. Let's go, vamos todos. Let's have a pizza, tengamos una pizza, vayamos por una pizza, ¿cierto? ¿Ok? Por ejemplo, let solito ya es distinto. ¿Ok? Cuando digo, por ejemplo, let me have a look, permítanme ver, ya cambia el significado. ¿Ok? Por eso la pronunciación es importante, chicos. Ok. Finally, please, class, we have to partner to find out about world weather tomorrow. Okay, we have to divide the class into groups A and B. Please, please, everybody, we have to practice questions and answers. Look at the example that we have here. What's the weather going to be like in Berlin? Future, we want to know. How is going to be the weather tomorrow, for example, right? That's why here we have to use this question. What's the weather going to be like in Berlin? What's the weather going to be like in Oruro? What's the weather going to be like in Santa Cruz? ¿No? Entonces la estructura de la pregunta, ¿no? Y la respuesta, ya saben, pueden usar los adjetivos. Y también pueden añadir los grados, si es que ya lo saben, digamos, en Oruro 20 grados, ok. It's rainy and cold and 7 degrees, that's it. ¿No? Al decir degrees ya estamos diciendo grados centígrados, ¿sí? Y no solamente 7, para decir 7 grados, cuidado, solo digan el número, no, 7 degrees, todo completito, 21 grados centígrados, 21 degrees, ¿ok? Let's have a look, please, let's go to page 151. Okay, can you see? We have here 2 pictures in page 154 and also page 151, right? Vocabulary and listening. What's the weather like? Work with a new partner, ask and answer questions to complete the information about world weather tomorrow, okay? Please, here you have some information about some countries, some places, and here the next group, you have another information, okay? And what we have to do, we have to ask to complete all of these gaps, ¿ok? Tenemos aquí muchos espacios que debemos completar, ¿cierto? Para eso, preguntamos. Ok, Group A and Group B. Group A are the first 10 students, and Group B, the rest. Oh, the last part of the list. Let me check. From Aníbal, Claudia, Alejandra, until Ledesma, Alejandra, Group A. Group B, from Magne Pamela to Siles Fabiana. Okay? Please, let's start with group A. Group A, focus on page 151. Group B, focus on page 154. Okay, class, here you have many countries that you have to find the information. Okay, for example, look at here, you have information about Berlin, but you have to ask questions and write the information about Boston. What is going to be your question, please? Here you have the example. Please come on, group A. Solamente los grados centígrados, ¿sí? Nada más. O maybe sunny, windy, rainy. Aquí está abreviado. Lo pongo directo. El capital letter. Please, group A, you have to ask question to group B. El grupo B tiene información de Boston, ¿no? Que es la que necesita el grupo A. Come on, group A. What's the question? For example, what's the weather? Come on, please.
What's the weather going to be like in Boston?
Okay, very good. Please.
Foggy, 6 degree.
Very good. Foggy, 6 degree. Okay, very good. So you have to write it, students. And let's continue. Come on, class. Group B, your turn. You have to ask. Come on, come on.
What's the weather going to be like in Berlin?
Please, group A, you have to answer.
Rainy, 7 degrees.
Very good. Continue, students, continue. Group A. Here we have to complete here about Hong Kong.
And what's the weather going to be like in Hong Kong?
Sunny, 29 degree.
Very good. Sunny, 29 degrees. Excellent. Very good. Continue, group B. Question for group A.
What the weather going to be like in Moscow?
Please. No, en este caso cambiamos, ¿no? O bueno, igual chicos, ¿quién tiene la respuesta de Moscú? Come on. Group B, please. I want to listen the answer. Question and answer, group B. We have listened the question, but now we want the answer. Please.
Me hice una consultita. Cuando la temperatura es bajo el grado 0, ¿cómo se...?
Minus.
Minus.
Aquí sería así, minus 7 degrees, por ejemplo, ¿no? Menos 7 grados, sí. Like this.
Entonces de Moscú sería snowy, minus 1 degree.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Snowy. Minus 1 degree, right? Very good. Excellent. Please continue. Question, student. Who's the next? What about Sydney here? Sydney. Who wants to ask? Nos faltan dos Dos países. Please, chicos. Dos ciudades.
Sydney.
Yeah.
Sydney, cloudy, 22 degrees.
Ok, pero no, antes Nati, thank you for your answer. Vamos, grupo A, pregunta. Vamos, come on, group A.
What's the weather going to be like in Sydney?
Okay. Ya nos respondió Nati, ¿cierto? Nati, could you repeat, please?
Okay, Miss. Cloudy, 22 degrees.
Thank you. Okay, what about group B? That's it? No more questions? That's it? We finish? Have you completed everything? Yeah.
Me, what's the weather going to be like in Prague?
Okay, please answer.
Rainy, 4 degrees.
Okay, rainy 4 degrees. Come on, students. Okay, class, that's it? No more questions? Ok, students, so you know, ok, ese es el objetivo de que sepan cómo preguntar y cómo responder, ¿cierto? Tienen mucha variedad de adjetivos, ¿no? Pueden decir los grados también y listo, es todo. Ok, so we finished, students. Thank you so much. And that's it. Please see you tomorrow in your exam. Please don't forget. Okay, don't forget tomorrow your second examination at 8 o'clock.